Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the PDF in Google Drive and setting its sharing to the appropriate level, because permissions control access. Once done, open your Google Sheet and pick the target cell or column where the link will live. Now decide how you want it to appear: a plain URL, a clickable text link, or a button image. This choice affects which formula or insert option you use next, so make that decision before moving to the next step. You now add the actual link. For single cells, use equals hyperlink, https://drive, open PDF, so viewers click labeled text. This keeps the sheet tidy. If you want a button, insert an image with equals image URL, and then overlay a drawing or use a right-click assigned script to open the URL. For bulk linking, write a small app script that reads Drive URLs and writes hyperlink formulas into each row. This automates. Complete the process by testing every link, ideally in an incognito window, because that reveals permission issues. If someone can't open the PDF, return to Drive and change sharing to anyone with link or add specific viewers. Make sure you understand why you chose that level. If you used app script, reauthorize scopes after edits and check the script's URL values for typos. One key troubleshooting tip: when links break, confirm Drive permissions first. It's the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.